Hey guys, so we are back for another sound test, and we now have the KBEAR KB04 in the lab. So I did some measurements on it, and that's pretty like a Harman-esque curve with the double horns on top. It's pretty bright on top, so we're gonna compare it to the NiceHCK DB3, which is quite close to the price of the KBEAR 04. It's also kind of a hybrid setup, so I think this is one of the better ones to compare this with. Which one is for you? Find out in the sound test. Let's start the sound test now.
Should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.